Peugeot E-5008, 2025. Allure, a powerful and refined design. The new Peugeot E-5008 offers an aerodynamic silhouette and a refined interior, while ensuring optimal efficiency. A strong and dynamic stance. The new E-5008 is distinguished by its strong SUV character, which inspires robustness and safety, combined with a very dynamic silhouette. The Peugeot E-5008's relatively high beltline and very pronounced shoulders give it a strong road presence, as does its generous dimensions: length, 4.79 m, width, 1.89 m, height, 1.69 m. The design of the E-5008 suggests movement. The slope of the rear window is emphasized by sophisticated side design elements, and the front end, which features the new light signature and the innovative front grille that blends into the body color. A high-tech aesthetic. The sophisticated grille is highlighted by a slim, elegant black band that wraps around the entire front of the E-5008 and incorporates ultra-compact LED headlights on all versions. The E-5008 GT comes with Peugeot's new Pixel LED technology as standard. It automatically adapts the headlights to traffic conditions, maintaining optimal lighting without disturbing other road users. Continuing the innovative work that started on the Peugeot 408 and the E-3008, the new E-5008 features wheels that contribute to the modern styling and aerodynamic performance. With their geometric technical design, the 19 and 20 wheels have the new Peugeot emblem at their center. Inside, the spectacular 21 Peugeot panoramic iCockpit registered floating screen puts passengers in an environment that is as high-tech as it is user-friendly. Superior refinement. Nothing is more sophisticated than simplicity. The new E-5008 embraces this philosophy, with very smooth, sleek, vertical sides, emphasizing refinement by concealing the side window seals in the doors. The number of decorative inserts on the body has been reduced and chrome parts have been banished in favor of splashes of paint on specific elements: meteor gray on the front spoiler and rear bumper, orbital black on the mirror housings, and the lower part of the belt line. The new E-5008 is available in 6 colors: Obsession Blue, Ingoro Blue, Oconite White, Pearl Black, Artense Gray, and Titanium Gray. On the GT version, two-tone paint with a shiny black roof is standard. The superior interior refinement of the new E-5008 benefits all passengers. For example, the elegant real aluminum trim and the customizable ambient LED lighting, available in 8 colors, extend across the dashboard and to the front and rear doors. Together, they create a high-quality, welcoming technological environment. Emotion, to drive and experience, the E-5008 offers unique pleasure. When it comes to emotion, the new E-5008 leaves no one behind. The driver is at the heart of the spectacular panoramic iCockpit registered, and the passengers benefit from exceptional interior space and comfort. The next-level panoramic iCockpit registered. The Peugeot teams decided to bring together 2 of the 3 fundamental elements of the iCockpit registered: the head-up display and the large central touchscreen. These are now integrated into a curved panoramic screen with a single 21 high-definition panel extending from the left side of the dashboard to the center console. This panoramic display truly floats above the dashboard. The ambient LED lighting under the screen accentuates the floating effect. Positioned for optimum ergonomics, this 21 widescreen display is slightly curved towards the driver while remaining perfectly accessible to the passenger. This large digital panel of exceptional quality combines 2 key functions of the Peugeot iCockpit registered. To the left, above the compact steering wheel, the display collects all the driving information: speed, power meter, driving aids, energy flow, etc. To the right, in the center of the dashboard, the touch screen is accessible to both the driver and passenger. It controls the heating and air conditioning, navigation, media and connectivity systems, etc. In the Allure version of the E-5008, The new Peugeot iCockpit registered comes as standard with two 10 digital panels on a single support with the same floating effect as the 21 panel. A compact steering wheel with new controls. A key component of the Peugeot iCockpit registered from the outset, the compact steering wheel has been extensively reworked to offer even more sensations and greater driving comfort. It has, of course, retained its compactness with a modernized design. The redesigned central cushion is smaller and isolated from the steering wheel spokes to give a levitating effect reminiscent of the panoramic screen on the dashboard. The controls on the compact steering wheel are new. They automatically detect the driver's fingers for optimum ergonomics but are only activated when the driver presses them to avoid activation by mistake. The new compact steering wheel is heated as standard on the E5008 GT. The new Peugeot Panoramic iCockpit registered introduces two new slim, elegant control stalks behind the compact steering wheel and two paddles dedicated to regenerative braking. 10 customizable iToggles registered. The central part of the dashboard features iToggles registered, fully customizable touch-sensitive buttons that can be programmed to provide rapid access to 10 of the user's favorite functions: call a contact, start navigation to a frequently used destination, tune the radio to a favorite station, set the ideal air conditioning temperature, and so on. The latest generation of Peugeot connected information systems. The Allure version has the Peugeot iConnect registered system as standard, and it offers complete connectivity thanks to the wireless mirroring function, Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. The technological experience is extended complete with the Peugeot iConnect registered advanced, standard on the E5008 GT. It features high-performance TomTom connected navigation with a trip planner function, see below. The OK Peugeot natural language voice recognition provides access to infotainment, heating and air conditioning functions, and the telephone. This voice recognition can now distinguish between commands made by the driver or the passenger. Artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, will also be available on the E5008, to provide interaction between the occupants and the vehicle. To support users and answer any questions they may have, the system includes onboard documentation and a QR code link to tutorials. System updates are carried out over the air. Amazing agility, comforting ease. The new Peugeot E5008 is very easy to drive. Thanks to dynamic chassis settings in the great Peugeot tradition, it is at ease and efficient on main roads and especially agile in the city. To make maneuvering easier, the E5008 is fitted with a rear camera as standard, offering the driver two angles, rear view or bird's eye view. This camera is equipped with a cleaning nozzle for a perfect image in all conditions. As an option, the new E5008 can be fitted with the Peugeot Visio Park 360 degrees system, which provides a 360 degrees view of the environment thanks to 4 cameras positioned as close as possible to the front and rear wheels and 12 sensors spread around the car. This makes it possible to avoid any obstacle close to the vehicle. More than 40 driver assistance and safety systems and safety equipment, one step further towards semi-autonomous driving. With the Drive Assist Plus 2.0 system, the Peugeot E5008 assists the driver by using all the car's sensors, cameras, radar, etc., and information from the connected navigation system. These assistance systems are designed to lighten the driver's workload on multi-lane roads such as highways. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go function and help to maintain lane position, manages the steering and speed of the new E5008 to keep it in lane and at a speed preset by the driver. Semi-automatic lane change, assists the driver for lane changes, in full safety. Simply activate the turn signal and press the OK button on the steering wheel, and the system will steer you into the desired new lane. Advanced speed recommendation, detects any change in the speed limit by reading road signs and gathering information from the connected navigation system suggests that the driver accordingly adjust the adaptive cruise control setting. If rain is detected, the device immediately suggests reducing speed in line with speed limits, for example, from 130 km/h to 110 km/h on the highway. These semi-autonomous driving systems require driver validation. Sensors ensure that the driver keeps their hands on the wheel at all times.